3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and it's called Learn English Outside Classroom. So I would like to shorten it and I would call it L.E.O.C. L-E-O-C. Learn English Outside Classroom. So basically what I would do in this video is to bring you outside of the classroom and learn English with me, because as you know, English is not only in the books, it's not only in the classroom, but it's a part of our lives. So I am dedicating this video especially to my beloved students in SMK Sungai Tiram. Oh, before I forget, of course you know me. If you're my students, you can call me Teacher Young. So now let's get started. Alright, near my house there are these stores. So the first one you can see Pemborong Barangan Runcit. Actually it's a Kedai Runcit. So what is Kedai Runcit in English? We call it grocery store. Grocery store. G-R-O-C-E-R-Y-S-T-O-R-E. Grocery store. So we can go grocery shopping in this grocery store, Kedai Runcit. So another one that I want you to know is, another one that I'm going to bring you to go to would be the 99 Speed Mart, Pasar Mini 99. So in English we call this kind of store like some kind of mini market or even convenience store. Yes, so right now that's the Alright, we are here in the store. As you can see, there are a lot of shelves selling different kinds of biscuits and also cookies in tins. And we have mayonnaise in glass jar. We have the fruit jams in glass jar. And we also have the condensed and also the sweetened creamer. And here we have the instant oat. Yes, they also sell cat kibbles. Then we have all sorts of snacks, a variety of chocolates. Here is the pistachios, peanuts mixed anchovy, almond, pistachio, classic peanuts, roasted peanuts, organic chestnuts, cashew nuts mixed macadamia, pistachios, cashew nuts, and we have this cashew nuts again, and almond mixed anchovy, cocktail nuts, and these are the processed sour plum. Here are the sour plum. It is sweet and sour in taste. And we have raisins. And you have buatin in BM. We call it figs. Prunes. Cranberries. Dried cranberries actually. And we have this sweet plum. Which is just 1 ringgit. So other than all of these snacks, we also have another one, salted sweet plum again, and we also have this, a healthier choice, the naturally preserved guava. Jambu batu, we call it guava. And what is this? It's seaweed, processed seaweed snacks. Other than the seaweed snacks, we also have the cuttlefish snacks, the ikan satay fish snack, the satay fish snack, also have the squid snacks. That's the end of our video today. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.